Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about how to use the butcher's steel. As they say in the meat industry, bottoms up, heads down. Let's crack on. The butcher's steel. Without this, your knife isn't sharp, you can't cut the meat. So anyway, I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to use this one. First of all, we take the butcher's steel, nice firm grip, not overly firm, but comfortable, okay? You want to hold the steel just about chest height. So this guard here is roughly the same height as your chest, all right? And you want to be roughly a good 1.5 foot away from yourself. Good. Now we're going to take our knife. Now this is a big steak knife. I wouldn't advise you using a big steak knife at this moment in time. What I advise is a nice butcher's knife, a 5-inch curved or a 5-inch straight. Now we're looking at the base of the knife. We want the base of the knife to touch the point of the steel, okay? Now what I want you to do, I don't want you to watch the knife, okay? What I want you to do, I want you to watch the point of the steel. If you concentrate on the knife, what will happen is that you'll do this, and you'll start to hit the guard. So, start at the bottom of the knife, put it onto the top of the steel, you're going to watch the top of the steel, and come down. And if you see my elbow comes up, the reason for that is that when my elbow comes up, the point of the knife comes down the steel. That means that all of this blade is going all the way across that steel. Do it on the other side, base of the knife, down, and down. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to put them two actions together. Start at the top, down we go. Start at the top, down we go. So what I would say is to continue to do this for a good couple of minutes really. Okay? Once you get into the practice of doing this, you'll be able to tell whether you've got the right angle of the knife on the steel. So if you listen, you hear that nice fine high-pitched sound. That's telling me that this part of the knife is hitting the steel and not the edge. Okay? So now that tells me that I'm at the right angle, because that lovely swishing sound. Now you will see a lot of people on TV doing this sort of thing. It's an absolute load of rubbish. That does not work. Okay, so nice and smooth. Listen to the edge of the blade going across the steel, and once you get into the rhythm of it, you'll get to this stage. Okay, nice and relaxed, and that's how you seal your knife. It's as simple as that. What I will do is practice for 5 minutes. Put the steel down, put the knife down, go and have a cup of tea, then come back to it and do it again. And I'll guarantee you the next day you'll have it in your mind. Skill for life, from the Urban Butchery Channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, then please press the subscribe button, leave your messages down in the box below, and I'll catch you next time. Remember, bottoms up, heads down,